Mr. President, this is a joint statement by E4 and Geneva International Center for Justice. Discrimination and racism are among the ongoing threats that overwhelm our modern world. People in different parts of the world are heavily suffering of various forms of discrimination, xenophobia and intolerance. On the other side, the UNOHCR cut in resources provided for fighting racism affects the effectiveness of the office to work on issues safeguarded by the Durban Declaration and Programme of Action. This results in decrease of attention paid and protection provided to the victims during this time of crisis. One tackling case is the apartheid system practiced against the ethnic and religious minorities living in Israel, as well as Palestinians in the occupied territories. Arabs in Israel are living in impoverished communities surrounded by the Jews, who are benefiting from most of the public resources. There are some of 50 discriminatory laws in Israel, which either directly or indirectly discriminate against Palestinians in different aspects of life. One of such is discrimination by Israeli prison service between Israeli and Palestinian prisoners, categorizing the Palestinians as security prisoners, even in cases with no apparent charge or minor offenses. The discriminatory policy deprives Palestinian prisoners of their rights, even as simple as a telephone call. Moreover, while non-Arab are tried before civilian courts, Palestinian civilians are tried before Israeli military courts for the same offenses, in a clear form of discrimination. Confiscation of Palestinian land is a usual practice as well. The new-built Jewish-only settlements inside the occupied territories are benefiting from Israel's security protection. Most of the resources and access to roads which form to be for Jews-only use. These forms of discrimination practiced for decades and decades cannot be tolerated anymore. The international community has to give a greater attention for the implementation of DTPA to provide protection and legal assistance for all the victims of discrimination. And thank you.